Hello, and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 51. In this video, I will be taking apart an old TiVo DVR. This one's a Series 2 by Humax. So we're going to take a look inside. But first, I'm going to peel off the protective film. I'll turn it around, we'll look at the back side. There are the basic composite AV connections, and there is a USB connection, which in this case was used for a Ethernet adapter. There's also a connection on the back for the remote extender, which allows this to control a cable box. I'll just remove a few screws here, and we'll take a look inside. And we're in. It's a little dusty in here. And here's the hard drive in here. Looks to be a 80 gigabyte hard drive. Now I'm going to take the hard drive out. There's a couple screws here. A little dusting, and there it is. I think I'm going to save this hard drive because I could always use it for building a Linux system or something like that. We'll take a closer look at this circuit board, but I want to pull some other stuff out of this first. So now I'll take the fan out. And here's the fan. Nothing special, just a brushless fan. Now I'm going to pull out the power supply board. Well, the screws are out, but it looks like there's a couple of plastic clips over here. And now it's out. We'll take a little closer look here. Now I'll set this aside and we'll take this main board out. These screws are a different size, so I'm going to pause while I get the right bit. There are some metal tabs here holding the board down. I'm just going to use these cutters to twist them out of the way. And now the board's out. Let me see if I can blow some of this dust off. Oh yeah. I gotta pause and let the dust settle a little bit. Now there's a couple chips on here by Broadcom. And then we have the RF modulator, which is in its own shielding. I'll see if I can try to get these covers off. There we are. Now I'm not sure if there's anything to see on the other side, but let's take the cover off anyway. Well, there is a little something to see there. And the underside of the board. Now the only thing left to look at in this chassis is the front panel, and it looks like it comes off with a few plastic clips here. And it looks like there are actually a couple of screws here, so I'll put the right bit in. And off it comes. And the front of the chassis is just blank. There are a couple lights up front. I don't think the logo light's on this one, but there is a power LED and an LED to tell you if it's recording. And here's the front panel. This is the infrared receiver. And I'll flip it around. We'll look at the back of the board. There isn't much back here. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Mash that like button and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.